welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Rebecca. If you are returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be a bit of a vlog kind of video, just showing you what I'm getting up to today. I'm just going to kind of be doing bits and bobs around the house. I think I need to go shopping later as well, because we just need some little bits and bobs, like some bread. I think we need some milk, eggs, stuff like that. So I'm going to go a little bit later on in the day, just because it seems to be a little bit quieter then, hopefully. So if you'd like to see what I get up to, then please just keep watching. Right, so first things first, I'm going to go and, well, I'm actually going to strip my bed, because I'm going to be changing my bed today and tidying and kind of cleaning my room a little bit. It's not too bad, but it needs hoovering, like wiping and stuff. Then I'm going to be hoovering my room, all upstairs and stuff like that. But first I'm going to go and have some breakfast and a cup of tea, because I've not had anything to eat yet. It's about, is it 9:30? Yeah, it's about 9:30, well, nearly 9:45 now. So I'm going to have that, and then I'm going to jump in and start my room. I have actually updated my nails since my last video, which I do actually really like them. I am so missing doing nails, it's unreal. I can't believe how much I'm missing them. Like, normally I never really go this fancy on my nails, just because I can never be bothered. Literally, it took me 4 hours to do these, but that included like infilling them and stuff like that, which always takes longer to do your own nails, and to be fair, I wasn't exactly rushing. So yeah, I really like them. They're a bit brighter, especially considering we're not having great weather at the moment. It's kind of gone a bit rubbish again, unfortunately, but hey ho. And yeah, for my hair, it's literally, I just plaited it last night. I washed my hair yesterday and I just let it air dry, and my hair goes like quite, it's almost like kinky curls. It's not like a proper curl, and it did look quite nice. So I thought, oh, you know what, I'll plait it like last night and see what it comes out as. I think it looks really nice. But we'll see how long it lasts, because my hair does kind of drop a little bit. If it drops, I might wind up styling it something different later in the day. So I'm just going to show you me making my breakfast now. So I'm just making a cup of tea now. This is in my Harry Potter. It's like a colour changing mug, which I'll just show you in a sec. It like goes into like blue, and like then the other side's got like yellow, and then that goes into red on it, which is really cool. And then for breakfast I am just having some crunchy nut with some semi-skim milk. So I've already stripped my bed, and I'm just remaking it now, and then just putting my throw over and my pillows up, and then that'll be all nice and done.
Sounds like she was counting millions of that. I'm showing the movie to your boss. Do you want to say something? Not like Melissa's usual boyfriends. Or my usual.
Right, then here I'm just showing you how I make my iced kind of coffee latte thing. I use 2 shots of espresso. It's the Rosetto one from Aldi, and I just pop them in a glass and add some ice to it, and then I'll be pouring in some semi-skim milk, which I'll just be frothing up and pouring that in as well. This is my finished iced coffee. So like I showed, it was 2 shots of the Rosetto shots and just some frothed up cold milk. I do it really simple, and I do like mine quite strong. It doesn't look it, but it does actually taste quite strong. For talking sake, like if I were to get it from Starbucks, which is normally where I get it from, this is kind of like a bit of a copy of theirs. I don't have any syrup or anything in mine, but I would normally get if I got like a large one for talking to, which is venti, I'd actually get an extra shot of that in that. So that's like 4 shots of espresso in mine, rather than just 3. So that's what I normally have, but I really like these. I've been loving making these at home. They're really nice and they're really refreshing, rather than just, because I do like coffee but I don't drink it all the time, whereas I feel as though I've been drinking more of these because it's nice and cold and refreshing. Normally other than that I would just drink tea. So yeah, this is my iced coffee that I'm just going to be kind of drinking while I finish cleaning my room. I've only literally got to clean the top of my makeup desk now and hoover, and that's it. And then I've just got to hoover in the hallway and stuff like that. Right, then here I'm just wiping down my vanity unit, and then I will just be hoovering my room and the hallway. Right, so I'm just doing my makeup now. I just thought I'd do like a bit of a speeded up version of this, as this is actually pretty much the same makeup that is in my go-to current makeup that I've been doing kind of in lockdown. It's really quick, really easy, and I'll just leave it in a card above at the top right. So I'm just kind of speeding through some of this just so that then you can watch the full video if you want, just from up there. Right, so I've just finished my makeup off now, and I'm just going to be kind of styling my hair a little bit. I'm just going to pop some dry shampoo in it just to kind of give a little bit more volume at the roots, just so then it gives it a little bit more of a lift, and it gives a bit of a boost. And then this is the finished look. So this is the finished makeup. It is very basically just the same as what I did in my go-to current makeup. It's very quick, very easy. I just put on, instead of the MAC, the Honey Love lipstick that I used in that video, I used this one, which is the Stain, which I just used in my Fresh Faced video, and I'll leave that linked above. I really like this because it stains your lips as well, so it lasts quite a long time, and I'm really loving my hair. It is a little bit frizzy, so I kind of do need to work out the kinks with it a little bit, but I really like it. So I have just, well, obviously my room's done, I've got ready now, as you've just seen, my makeup. I just did like a little quick, I weren't going to show you the full thing because it's basically the same, so I just did a speed up. I'm going to go shopping now, and then we've just got some things to put through the post, like just some forms that we had to fill out for the doctors and stuff. I'll just take you along shopping with me. So this is just my lunch. I just made some ham and cheese on toast with a cup of tea. Right, so as you've just seen, I've just had some lunch. I just had some toast with some cheese and ham and a cup of tea. I thought I'd eat before I go shopping because I don't know how long I'm going to be. Sometimes you can be quite quick, other times you've got to queue outside for quite a bit. So it just depends. So I'm off there now, and I'll just take you along with me. Right, so I'm just back from shopping now. The time's actually, I went about 4:30, and I was probably about 45 minutes. So it's now like 5:30. I actually completely forgot to take my phone. I left it on charge, so I didn't actually film shopping, but I just went and got a few bits. I managed to get everything that I needed, which was actually a first, and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too busy. I didn't have to queue outside. I managed to get in straight away, which was good. So yeah, that's kind of it really, what I've been up to today. Just kind of cleaning, doing bits and bobs. We're just going to start making tea now. Actually, I'm having chicken and haggis for tea, so I will show you that. But I think that's kind of all we're going to be doing tonight, as we're not really doing a right lot. It's just going to be a pretty chilled night really, just watching some TV and stuff. So yeah. Right, so if you can't already tell by the bit of a change of hair, this is now the next day. I forgot to actually end the vlog last night, so literally we didn't wind up doing much. We had some tea and watched some telly. That were it really. So it's now the next day. Yesterday was just a bit of a chill day, kind of cleaning, organising, just kind of basics really, and just a chill day. It's a little bit later today. I've just filmed this makeup look, and it will be up on my channel after this video, so keep an eye out for that. So if you'd like to see this makeup look, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell, because you'll be notified when this look comes on. So I've just done actually some baking this morning. I've made a batch of brownie and a batch of biscuits, so I gave a couple to my neighbour and stuff. So I've just made a batch of brownie and a batch of biscuits, and I've just come to get ready, and then I realised that I hadn't ended the vlog yesterday. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this little vlog video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. If you do have any video ideas or anything like that, then please leave it in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you would like to see. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will just catch you in my next one. Alright, bye guys.